So I have this video is in regards to a job that I did that I got called out. I got schooled by Senor, what does it say? His Instagram name is Mondoandrade, and he helped me out. He saw one of my videos. He saw that I was complaining about the Goodman furnace, about how when you install it in the horizontal position, the metal doesn't allow for the vent to go straight up. It's kind of like an offset that's needed. So I was like, man, why do I have to, you know, there's a knockout right there that you have to knock out, and the vent pipe doesn't line up with the inducer draft motor. So I thought that was kind of annoying. And every other furnace that I've installed, you know, pane, you know, carrier or whatever, you just turn the draft motor and take out the knockout, and out you go with the vent pipe. I had never, that's my fault, never read in the installation instructions, which he pointed out to me. It's right there, so I appreciate that. Never had I seen that you had to order like a little offset kit for the vent pipe to line up through that knockout that Goodman put there. And but no one, not even no one in Goodman had ever even told me like, hey, if, you know, if you're gonna install it horizontally. But I know it's on me. The burden is on me as the installer. I should read the installation instructions. But coming from installing, you know, carrier furnaces and Lennox furnaces, I just never, actually I don't remember if the Lennox furnaces has that, but I remember that in the carrier for sure you just turn the draft motor, you take out the knockout, and out it goes. Coming from that to Goodman, and I see the knockout there, so that's where I made the mistake. I assumed that that's all you do, that you do the same thing with that Goodman furnace, and then it just wasn't engineered correctly, which is fine. I mean, if you need that additional part, I checked on it. It's not that expensive. It's like 12 bucks. Fine, I'll order it, except I wasn't, you know, I wasn't aware of it. I didn't pay attention. In fact, I just called my store because Mondoandrade sent me the page where it comes out in the installation manual, and he sent me the part number. So I called my store. They didn't even have it in stock. So I called another store previous to that one, and they didn't know anything about it either. So it's not, obviously it's not something that is commonly used or asked for by the installers. So hopefully this might help out other installers too that install Goodman furnaces. 80% horizontal position, and you want to vent vertically. And I don't mean come out the front and then put an elbow and go up. I mean, like, if you want to install directly from the top in the horizontal position. So I ordered the part already, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna go record it. So I'm gonna go record when I go back and I install the offset, because I don't want to leave it like that. So Mondoandrade, I really appreciate you, buddy. Helping me out. See, that's one of the reasons that I like to post these videos, because I got called out another time. I don't know everything. I'm just an installer that cares. Usually I read all the instructions. I just got, you know, so used to installing the vent pipes this way that I never paid attention to the Goodman. I never realized that it was different. So now I'm just rambling. But the point is, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna show you the part that I'm talking about, how I'm gonna replace it, and then hopefully that'll help out some guys. Please let me know in the comments if you knew about this part, or if this is the first time that you hear about this part. I really want to know, and I really appreciate you guys clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click like, and don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to hit the bell. I know it's a lot of instructions, but I really appreciate you guys watching these videos, and hopefully this helps somebody out and enjoy this video. And Mondoandrade, I'll post the link to Mondoandrade down there so you guys can give them a high five or something. All right, so I appreciate you guys, and enjoy this video. All right, I got another suggestion. I couldn't record the sound, but there was too much noise in the background. When I turn the inducer draft motor to vent up in a horizontal position, this knockout does not line up with the flue vent. So I suggest maybe Goodman might want to get on this and relocate that knockout so that it lines up. I'm trying to show you right here how it lines up crooked. You can see how it doesn't line. Yeah, see. Yeah, but it's a small thing, I know, but still it's annoying. Alright, so here we are again. Now I'm showing you the installation instructions for the GMS 8. This is also the same installation instructions for all these other units. They're pretty much the same. That's why they throw out the same instructions. But I already looked for it and I found it here. It's gonna be on page 9. I already highlighted the part where it talks about the venting. Here it is. So yeah, here it is, and it comes out twice actually right here. The upflow or horizontal units are shipped with the induced draft blower discharging from the top of the furnace, and that's viewed as in upflow installation. So the vent will come out through the top. If you flip it and you're going to install it horizontally, then the vent's going to come out on your left. You can put an elbow and vent that way. But here's where you run into that problem, that if you want to vent vertically and you want to turn the induced draft motor for whatever reason, like right here, this is what I chose to do, then you do have to get this kit. The induced draft blower can be rotated 90 degrees with the 0270F01119 chimney transition bottom kit. So you have to have that, and it's not expensive. It's really cheap. Your store might not even carry it. Like mine, when I called them, they weren't even aware of it. But Mondoandrade from Instagram texted me the part number. I called them, they found it, they ordered it for me, and then they ordered some extras. So that's why I like dealing with Goodman, because they don't care that you're not a big corporation. They go out of their way to help you out. So that's a big plus for Goodman. And then right here it goes on giving you the instructions on how to do it, which is, you can imagine, it's real simple. And right here too, real easy. But yeah, so I'm curious, how many of you guys knew and were aware of that kit? How many people is this news to you, or did you already know about this? Just post it in the comments. I want to know. Very curious. I appreciate your guys' time, and see you on the next one.